What is consultative selling and how does it work? Hey, my name is Rob Spencer, Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions. As an expert sales trainer, coach, consultant and author of 3 Amazon bestsellers on sales, there's nothing more I love than talking about sales, so I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. As always, if you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button, make sure you drop a like and a comment below. We'd love to know who's watching these videos. So within sales, there's a lot of terms that will kind of come into play. Loads of different, there's like a whole glossary of terms for sales, and there's loads of techniques as well. And one technique you'll hear a lot of is that of consultative selling. What is consultative selling, I hear you ask? Well, in this video, we're going to go through it. But put simply, consultative selling, it can be more simple than people make it out to be. Now, over the years, obviously salespeople have become known for just waffling jargon at people and forcing and you know, sort of manhandling their way into making the sale, which sometimes works. However, there is another great way of making the sale known as consultative selling. And fundamentally, it's where you listen intently to the needs, wants, the requirements and the pain points of your prospect, and then you sell the solutions on the back end of it. It's all about listening more than we are talking. It's all about understanding your clients on a deeper level and offering them, I should say, the right solutions to whatever it is they want. So the best analogy that I could ever use, and it seems to be been stolen a lot recently by other sales trainers, is that of the doctor. Okay, the doctor is a consultant, right? So we look at the doctor. You go into your doctor's surgery, and what's the first thing they do when they sit you down? They don't just say, look, thanks for sitting down, here's the pills. Take these pills, these are the best pills on the market. There's so many great benefits to them. Here's a lovely presentation. Actually, do you know what? We'll do you a discount on these pills. You've got to take these pills. Everyone else is taking these pills, take these pills. That doesn't really happen, does it? Normally a doctor will sit you down and say, right, what symptoms are you facing? How long have you faced those symptoms? How is that affecting your quality of life? Do these problems run in the family on a scale of 1 to 10? How much does it hurt? And so on and so forth. They do their consultative piece first, and then by learning everything and listening to everything you've just said, they will then prescribe to you the solution to that problem. And put very simply, that's what consultative selling is. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. If you're new to these, we release one every single week, and they accompany a blog that we put onto our website as well. So if you are looking to increase your sales, if you are looking to increase the amount of business you do and grow your business, please do hit that subscribe and keep an eye out for these. If you do need more of a hands-on approach to growing your business and growing your sales, head on over to paragonsalessolutions.co.uk. You'll see an array of training, coaching, mentoring, resources and outsourced solutions that myself and my team can deliver for you. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and until next week, all the best.